In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to the ultimate AI-powered video editor that simplifies editing. It's called HitPaw Editor, and it's an absolute game changer in the world of video editing. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this software has everything you need to create stunning videos effortlessly. So stick around because you won't want to miss this. To download HitPaw Editor, simply click on the link provided in the description below. Or you can search for HitPaw Editor on your favorite search engine, which will direct you to the official HitPaw website. Once you're on the HitPaw website, you'll see a variety of tools and AI-powered features that make this software stand out. Navigate to the download section and click on the download button. The download process will begin immediately. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your folder. Open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install HitPaw Editor. The installation process may take a few minutes depending on your system. After you've installed HitPaw Editor, go ahead and open the software. The first look is quite similar to CapCut, which is great for those familiar with that interface. This is where all your projects will be saved. Let's take a comprehensive tour of the tools available in HitPaw Editor. First up, we have the screen recorder. Click on the screen recorder icon and you'll see a variety of options for recording. You can select the screen area you want to record and adjust other settings to suit your needs. Once you're ready, start the recording. As you record, you can toggle the mic and speaker on or off. Let's stop the recording now and check out the video we just recorded. It's saved right here, ready for editing. Next, we have the subtitle maker. Click on it. I must say, I really like the smooth loading animation of this software. And the software opens up a new window. Here, you can change the language of the subtitles to fit your audience. You can import the video or audio file for subtitles. This makes adding subtitles to your video a breeze and enhances accessibility for your viewers. Now, let's explore the text-to-speech tool. This is a powerful feature that allows you to generate voiceovers with various characters.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
HitPaw Edimakor is a popular video editing software.
Each character comes with different emotions, such as anger and more, making your voiceovers more dynamic and engaging. Simply write your script in the provided text box and choose the voice and emotion that best fits your video. Additionally, you can translate subtitles here, making it easy to create multilingual content. One of the most interesting tools in HitPaw Editor is the AI-generated video, which is a helpful tool for beginners. This tool simplifies the video creation process into 3 easy steps. First, write the script of your video. Let me paste mine as an example. Next, add B-roll footage by pressing the plus icon. You can select files according to your script, or if you don't have any B-rolls, you can use the auto-pick feature, and HitPaw will automatically add relevant B-rolls for you. Finally, you can choose to add music. Turn it on and select your track, or use the original video sound. You can also select different text templates and change voiceover voices if needed. And just like that, you have an AI-generated video ready to go. If you need more control over your edits, click on Advanced Edit. This feature imports your video into the editing timeline, allowing you to make detailed adjustments. You can cut out extra parts using the scissors tool placed on the playhead and make various other adjustments, which I will demonstrate later in the video. After completing your edit, simply export your video with ease. HitPaw also features AI copywriting, similar to ChatGPT, which helps you script your videos. This is incredibly handy for those moments when you need some creative assistance or are experiencing writer's block. By clicking the right arrow, you can explore more useful tools like the Video Downloader, where you can paste a video link and download it directly into the software. Speech-to-text for transcribing audio, split subtitles for managing longer subtitle files, AI photo cutout for quick and easy image editing, audio downloader for grabbing soundtracks, and extract audio for separating audio tracks from video files. On the left, the toolbox offers quick access to all video, audio, and image tools, streamlining your workflow. Let's create a video now. Here's what our default layout looks like. At the top, you can change the name of your project to keep things organized. Start by importing your raw footage. Click on Import Files to bring in your video clips, background images, animations, stock footage, and more. You can even search Pixabay for additional resources directly from the software. Next, let's add some music and effects. The sound option provides a vast library of music tracks and sound effects. You can also add your own music or sounds and even download audio directly from the internet. The text section offers a numerous of text animations and templates, allowing you to create engaging titles and captions. The stickers section is packed with fun and vibrant stickers to add a bit of flair to your videos. The transitions section offers a variety of smooth transitions. Just drag and drop them between clips to achieve seamless cuts. The effects section is equally impressive, with effects like the opening one effect, which gives your video a cinematic look. Now let's move on to the actual editing process. Import your raw videos and arrange them on the timeline. You can add stickers to your clips for a fun touch. To add transitions, simply drag and drop them between two clips to achieve a smooth transition. You can adjust the duration of these transitions to your liking. Use the scissors tool to split the video and remove any unnecessary parts. Zoom in on the video to fit the frame perfectly. Adjust the opacity and position your clips as needed. You can even flip the video using the mirror tool and stabilize shaky footage with the stabilization feature. Add effects to enhance your video. I particularly like the opening one effect. Just drag and drop it onto your video, and you can adjust its speed to match your desired pace. This effect gives your video a polished, cinematic feel. If you want to add more transitions, simply split the video at the desired points and drop in your favorite transitions. Furthermore, customize your video with text templates. Drag and drop a template onto your video and you can personalize the text to suit your content. You can decrease the volume of the audio and enable noise reduction to improve sound quality. Adjust the speed of your video using the speed control options and use speed ramping to create dynamic motion effects. To add animations, split the video at the desired points and select your preferred animation. In the color section, you can tweak the brightness, exposure, saturation, and more to enhance the visual quality of your footage. Lastly, apply filters to give your video a distinct look. Choose from a variety of filters and see how they transform your video. Once you're done with editing, it's time to export the video. Press the export button and choose your desired format. Set the resolution. I'll go with 4K quality for the best results and adjust the bitrate and frame rate. I'll set the frame rate at 60 FPS, but you can opt for 30 FPS if you prefer. Rename your video, choose the location where you want it to be saved, and press export. You can also export just the audio if needed. The exporting process will start and your video will be ready soon. I really like HitPaw Editor. It has so many useful tools, effects, transitions, animations, and more. Did you enjoy the software? Let me know in the comments below. You can download HitPaw Editor from the link in the description. Now, let's take a look at the video we just edited. Download the HitPaw editing software. Link is in the description.